Hi, I'm Melissa. In this tutorial I'm going to talk through the differences between semi-private, private and public events. To manage access to an album or an image gallery, you can choose from these three privacy statuses. So I'll start with public. Anyone can view a public image gallery or an album. No login details are required, so set your status as public if you want to share on social media. And obviously if you have no issue with anyone looking at your images. So with Kirsty and Chris, this is a public event here, so I'll just open it up. It opens straight up to the image gallery where you can look at the images. Next is semi-private. Like a public event, the gallery's thumbnail is displaying the event's feature image, like on this workspace page here, which you can set in the back end of Workspace. A client who knows the direct link to the collection won't need a password. So this is if you send the URL via email to your clients. And also if your client sends to friends and family, they won't need a password. But other visitors will be directed to a login page with a gorgeous full bleed image like this one here. And lastly, private. A password is always required for a private event or album. You wouldn't really share a private event, but it's really good to use if your clients require confidentiality. And this is what a private event looks like on your Workspace site. No feature image is shown, and it's got private event requires password. So we'll click that. And this is the login page here. So how do you change or update your privacy status? In Workspace, we're going to open up the galleries by clicking images in the navigation and just open up an event. And on the right hand side here we've got privacy, and just by clicking the blue link it'll update it. So public, private, and the password is below, and semi-private. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening.